In this quick video, we're going to take a look at how we convert a PDF document to a Word document and vice versa. Hi, I'm Dennis. Let's take a look. I'm on my desktop here and I have a file called brochure. I'm going to right click, head on over to Open With and choose Microsoft Word. There's a pop-up that says Microsoft Word is converting your document. And in a bit, your document is converted and open in Microsoft Word. Inside here, we are able to edit. After making your edits, you can choose whether to save this file as a Word document or a PDF. To save it as a Word document, you can head on over to File, choose Save, name your file, choose the location, choose the file format type as a Word document, just leave it like that, and click on Save. We can see over here that this is a Word document file that has been created. Alternatively, you can choose to save it as a PDF as it was originally. You'll head on over to File, Save As, change the name. We can say this is brochure 2. On the file format section, you can click and in the drop down choose PDF. Once you do this, you click Export, and just like that, your new file has been saved as a PDF. There's an alternative method whereby you can save this file as a PDF as well. We'll head on over to File, go to Print, and on the bottom left corner, there's a section named PDF. When you click on the drop down, there's an option to save as PDF. You can choose to rename the file, choose the location, and click on Save. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.